Keep your eyes on me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica Bethany. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button as well, and thumbs up this video. Okay. I'm just sitting here waiting on my lift. I need to go to the bank. I need to go to the bank and get a card because my card is about to expire. But I don't think they sent my replacement card out because it has not showed up yet. And it expires end of this month. And I think today is like the 17th, 18th. Let me see. Yeah, today's the 18th. And I don't have a card yet. So I'm about to go up there and have them go ahead and print me out a card. I need a card because I don't think y'all sent me one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to go to Walmart. Do some Walmart things. I need to pick up like some washcloths, some new washcloths. It's just time to switch out to new washcloths every so often. You should be actually just getting new wash rags every so often. And then I'm going to go run by Gabe's and see what new they have in stock. Mostly I'm going to Walmart. I need to go to Walmart. I need to get some wash rags and some leggings. That's all I really need to pick up from there. And then I'm going to Gabe's and see what they have new. So that's the plan for me right now. Then I am going to come back and I need to film some content. As far as what I'm wearing this hat. It says Yellowstone. I got this from Pop Shelf. This tank top is from Fashion Nova. Leggings, Walmart. I actually like Walmart leggings. And I think my phone's vibrating. Yeah, it is, because I think my Uber driver or Lyft driver is near. At least 3 minutes away. So, Yep, street. So that's what I'm about to go and do. I'm going to try to take y'all along, get some little footage with y'all. Check in with y'all during this excursion. It's going to be cute and sweet. Because I don't feel like being out all day. As well as I have to pick up packages from my leasing office as well. But let me go ahead and get into this lift so I can get this. Okay, y'all. So I'm sitting here editing, right? This hair video. So if y'all hear anything about in the background noise, people are coming to clean my carpet on my stairs. But so I originally used my original editing system, which is the base Windows editor or whatever. It comes with basically a Windows computer, but for some reason it's not exporting my video, and I've done everything I know to repair it. So I was like, I gotta stop playing. So I went in and bought Filmora. I'm editing it now on Filmora. I had Filmora before, but I never used it because I annually, they do an annual thing. I never fully invested in it. Just the full, I don't even think you can buy like a full subscription. I think you pay yearly for it. But that's what I'm sitting here doing. I'm trying to edit this. Hopefully I can get this edited and up or whatever. Because I like to get stuff edited before I start filming new content. So that might sound weird. Why don't you just... Because I will get overwhelmed with editing. That's the one thing I kind of don't like to do is edit. As y'all see, I blew dry my hair. And I have these little Cleo braids in it. I did it by me. Yes, you can tell by the cricket parts. But my sister, she's supposed to be clipping my ends. She's going to do it today, but she's probably going to do it Wednesday, which I'm fine with. But girl, I got a little length on my hair now. Y'all just don't know. You don't know how much that means. Because back in the day, I know people used to call me bald-headed, nappy-headed. It was just mean. But now I got hair. I got hang time now. But yeah, I'm sitting here editing this hair video. This hair video, it definitely should be up before you see this. And then I have another vlog to edit. I have the vlog, the conclave vlog to edit. Yeah, I gotta edit that as well. So that's my day. I do have some hair, 2 weeks that I need to film as well. So I need to go ahead and either do that today or tomorrow when I get off for that 9 to 5. But as well as I need to do some TikToks and Reels because Instagram pushes out Reels now, not pictures. But I do need to take pictures as well, even though Instagram doesn't put on there. I still need to take those as well. Yeah, yeah. That is what I'm doing now. I'm just sitting in my bed editing. I can't wait till I have like an office, like my office where I can edit in my office, like work in my office. So it's like I know it's bad, like where you sleep, working where you sleep. But look, girl, oh, camera. But girl, I just don't have the space right now. But it's coming soon. It's coming. It's coming. But let me go ahead and get this edited. Edited. That just don't sound right. Go ahead and edit this so I can go ahead and get that up. And we'll go from there. Then, oh, let me tell you the drama. Do y'all want the drama? Here's the drama. The drama is, so I ordered groceries from Walmart, right? I ordered these on Sunday. Nope, they were supposed to be delivered yesterday at 11 a.m. No later, right? It is now 3:45 p.m. on on Monday. And my groceries are still not here. And it's just like at this point, like, y'all can go ahead and just cancel my order. Because it's well over 24 hours. Like, it's like, I understand delays, things happen, but at this point, it's like y'all literally are like 24 hours late. Just go ahead and cancel it and refund me at this point. And I'll just order groceries from Instacart. Because at this point, like, it's 24 hours. Like, and then when I spoke with them yesterday, it was like, oh, all we can offer you is a $5 credit. $5. Mind you, this is when I spoke to him like 5 o'clock yesterday. $5. First of all, I've had to sit here all day waiting for these groceries because y'all can't give me an ETA on when they're going to be delivered. And like I've ordered like meat, and like I don't want my meat just sitting out there. Like just sitting out there in the sun. But it's like I feel like I'm Walmart holding me hostage, y'all. Walmart is holding me hostage. That might be the title of it, and I feel like they're holding me hostage. Alright, so good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm just here getting ready for the good 9 to 5, pulling that up or whatever. I did not pick the camera back up yesterday. I finally finished editing. Far as Walmart, I never got my groceries. They just issued me a refund. Still not sure what exactly happened, but I feel like the whole scenario was ridiculous. Just being the fact that they never actually communicated with me what exactly was going on. They just kept saying, oh, your order is delayed, your order is delayed. And I was like, okay, it's delayed. But when am I going to receive it? So by the time I sold like the third or fourth person at Walmart, apparently what had ended up happening to my order, it was on its way, right? And I guess the delivery person caught a flat or had car troubles from between Walmart and my house. And, you know, once they had been sitting in the heat with my groceries, you know, that was a done deal. So I guess they repackaged my order and something else. It just never. It said it was delivered, but it was never delivered. Last night it was said, oh, it was delivered at 1:02 p.m. Mind you, I received that message at like 11 o'clock at night. There were never any groceries delivered. By then, I had already received my refund. So I'm just like, is this what y'all, one more, is this what y'all do as far as y'all grocery delivery? Like, I'm sorry, Instacart would never, ever, never. Like, at least if I have issues with Instacart, I can honestly say it's not Instacart, that is the driver. Because one thing about it, and two things are sure. Within Instacart, if there's an issue with Instacart gonna communicate it. And I can communicate with my driver with Instacart. Walmart never communicated to me that there was an issue as far as delivery or anything. They didn't even offer the option for me to come pick them up. Just to go ahead and pick it up. So, you know, there's that. I was just like, and the thing is, I'm a Walmart Plus member. So, and I've been a Walmart Plus member since the beginning of the panorama. And yeah. So, excuse me. I'm just waiting on my refund from them. They say it should take 7 days, which I feel like is ridiculous. Honestly, because it's just like, you're like, really? So y'all, like, it felt like if I wasn't communicating, my order would still be delayed. It would still be saying delayed. And it'd be like 2 days, it's 2 days later. Like, why was y'all not communicating with me about my order? Like, hey, you know, you might not receive this. Instead of just saying it's delayed, like, take responsibility. But anyways, off of that subject, because it's upset me and my homegirl. So I finally got those. So far as my editing, it was just a whole freaking weekend, y'all. Just a whole freaking weekend. For some reason, I was using the default editing software that comes with my Windows computer, but for some reason it wasn't exporting. Like, I was able to edit the video and everything, but it just wouldn't export or whatever. And it was just frustrating. So I had to go out. Well, I didn't go out. I had to go out onto the internet and buy an editing software yesterday so I could finish my editing. Why ain't telling me? I'm out on PTO. I don't know why I'm gonna tell me because I'm on PTO that day weekend anyway. Prepare the others. But yeah, I had to go out and buy a whole new editing software. I bought the Filmora. I've had it before. I don't know if I said this in the previous clip, but I've had it before. But I'm using it again. It's my preference is for a Windows computer. Excuse me, y'all. But yeah, I'm just sitting here getting ready for work. Well, I'm already at work. I'm clocked in, but you know, I'm just here. I just wanted to speak with y'all, and I'll probably holler back at y'all a little later. Oh, I'm cut my gum under my tongue, so I'm about to go out. My ponytail did not come out. I told y'all, I swear to God, I cannot lay my hair. Oh, but I wanted to do a ponytail. I swear, it looks rougher on camera than it do in person. I swear. I'm waiting on my lift, but I'm about to go out to meet a friend for that's too many ways, for tacos. So all right, I'm gonna meet y'all there. I'm about to go. My lift is literally almost here. All right, toodles. Okay, so I'm here. I'm waiting on my friend to get here. I mean, I knew she was gonna be late because she always late. Sis gonna be late to her own funeral. Like, technically I'm late, but if I know I'm meeting someone who I know is just typically late, I'm late. So I don't know. We going to Elder. Oh, say, are they open? But I'm waiting for her before I go in here. I'm about to couple squat right here and wait for her. So I didn't get this done. But I have my purse on, and but I'm waiting for her. I don't know if she.
Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Call you, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get